Just finished up the install on this Cobra Touch Immobiliser, this Toyota RAV4. We'll go through the stages of how it works. As you can see, the lights here are flashing. This is indicating that the system is armed. Now, with it being armed, if I try to start the vehicle, I don't have any function on how the system operates. So what we're going to do, if I switch the vehicle off, we have your tags here. Obviously the customer has opted in for an optional extra one, just as there's multiple drivers on this vehicle. So with any of these tags, if we switch the system off by simply pressing the button down here, as you can see, the light has disappeared. Now it allows me to start the vehicle. So if I put on the brake, start the car, I can now drive the vehicle if needs be. Obviously, if I switch the vehicle off, we can wait for the system to come back on, which takes around about 2 minutes to reactivate. Or if you're in a bit of a not nice area, we can use one of the receptacles again and touch it to the magnet, creating it to come back on straight away. And as you will see, we have one tag here, second tag here operates, and the third tag as well operates on and off. There we go.